Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solutions. My name is Basant and today we are going to perform yet another example of expression building and in the EDMCs application, that is parent equal expression. So let's start. So first we will move on to our application. So this is our EDMCs application, and under this application I have created two applications, and one is source application, that is custom underscore app underscore 00. This will be our source application, and the FCC's application is going to be like target application, that is financial consolidation and close. Okay, so as you know, for every application for every source and whatever application we create in this, it creates a view for that. But for this particular video I created one master view. Under this master view we have the viewpoints, as one is target application viewpoint, that is FCCS entity FCCS, and one is entity dash custom app. So custom app will be the source application in this. Okay, and custom app will be the source and entity FCCS will be the target. So for this I already defined the node type converter in this. Let me just show you. So you have already seen in my previous video that how we can define the converters and all the things. Okay, so in converters you can see we have like this entity. Okay, so let's move on to our use case. So what this expression will do, like in the source to the target. Okay, so suppose, and one more thing is that I already defined the expression to synchronize the data in the target application. So the subscription part is already done. Let me show you. I already defined the subscriptions in the target application. So go to inspect, and under this you can find subscriptions. So I already defined the subscription. So made the metadata and whatever additions modification we will do in the source will automatically get transferred or get updated in the target application. Okay, so in the node type converter, in the converters we will define the expression. So this is our use case. In this case we have a source application and we have a target application, and the expression which we are going, this is just the raw example I am just giving. So suppose if in my source application we have input and that is a parent, if we add that parent, and if parent equals, okay, if parent equals c underscore 100, so in target, let me just bold it. So in target we will get the output as test underscore North America. Okay, and suppose if we add like if we just add child to the c underscore 100, and let's say the child will be like 101. Okay, so if we add child in source, that is 101, so in target we will get legal entity, or we just say le dash 101 as the output. Similarly, like in other, like in subsequently, you can see here that if we add a c underscore 200, okay, that is the parent. Okay, so if we add this parent in the source application, and the output we will get is that test underscore South America. Okay, and likewise we have added 101 in the c underscore 100, and if we add 201 in c underscore 200, okay, so output we will get in the test underscore South America, that will be FLE dash 201. So again we are using just OR conditions and all the things. Okay, and we have c underscore, okay, we have c underscore 300, and we have test underscore Asia. So suppose our target is, our source is c underscore 300, so in target we will get, similarly we will get test underscore Asia. So likewise this expression has been working, and we will build expression for this. Okay, with this, for this case, And suppose if we add multiple childs, like if I want to add 102 or whatever child I want to add, so we will get the output as le dash 102. That will be the output we will get. Okay, this will be the output if we add this child. Okay, so this is a use case, and if these conditions are not like satisfied or does not match with the expression, the return value will be null. It will be blank, you can say. So yeah, so let's begin and give the expression. So this is the master view in which we have source application and we have the target application. Let's go to inspect in the target application and open the node type converter. So go to data chain and node types and entity and go to the converters. The source application I've already added it, and go to edit, and in the name I want this, so click on operation and go to change copy to transform. So as you can see, it is now transformed. It has now become transformed, and in the source entity we have this icon, that is fx icon, and we can define expression here. So let's click on it. Okay, so this is our structure. Okay, and let me first remove it. Okay, so we will start with if, likewise we have I shown you in this. So this is just the raw explanation, and here we are actually defining the expression. Okay, so we will start with if, and source node parent name equals. So if a parent name, source node parent name equals, let's just see, underscore 100, likewise we have in the example. Okay, we will just cross check with the example too. Okay, so we have seen underscore 100. Let's return the value as what we are expecting. We just want le to concat with 101. Okay, so we are just taking le, and one more thing, dash, it is important, and to concat it with the source node name. So source node and then name. So this is the first expression. Now we will give the if else condition. So the first statement was if, then we are using if else if. Okay, so now in else if, we are just first have to define the or condition. Okay, again or, and here again we will define the same thing, source node parent name equals. Okay, and let me just do the same for this, then we will define the values for that string. Okay, source node and then parent and then name equals. Okay, and let's first give this string value. Okay, and if we can just copy it, you can also copy it and paste it here, and after pasting you just have to change the value, string value. Okay, so here we are, and let's define the return value. So we want to return it with FLE dash and we will concate it with the source node name. So the string value will be source node name. Okay, so let me just recall you what is it, what expression we have given. Okay, so this is the particular full expression till here is only for the child node. Okay, this is for this LE. Okay, LE and LE dash 101. Okay, and we have also given for the FLE part. Okay, so the child node expression is now done, and let's do the parent node expression. Let's make the node for the parent node. So we will get the output as test North America and test South America. So we will get these output. So let's make it, and we will just make the same expression within this structure. Okay, so now we will just again take the else if statement, and here we will give, now our parent is now the source node. Okay, and we want the name of it. So just take the name. If my source node name equals, okay, what it equals this c underscore 100. Okay, so we want to return the value as, let me just copy from the Excel itself, North America. Similarly, again, else if, we can also just copy from here and paste it here, and we will just change the string value. Then we want to return the value as, let me just again copy it from the Excel sheet. Okay, so we want test underscore South America. Again, I will use the else if condition and just copy it down and paste it all. So we are just using the smart work here. Okay, we just saving time and doing the smart work. We are not giving the full expression again and again. We just changing the string value. Okay, so we want to return the value as, again I will give the else if, because we have like many conditions. So again I will just take the if else condition, and in this I will take source node, and we can just copy it and paste it here, and we will just change the string value. Okay, so now we want to return the value as test Europe. Okay, now we will end this expression and give else, and in else we want to return the value as none. So we'll take return and we will leave it blank. Okay, so again I will show you the expression. If source node parent name equal c underscore 100, then we will, the child node will get the return value as le dash concate with the source node name. And similarly, if the parent node name equals c underscore 200, c underscore 300, or again c underscore 400, then we want to return the value for the child as fle dash concate with the source node name. Now for the parent, we are going we are giving this expression that else if source node name equals c underscore 100. So we want to return the value for the parent in the target especially. Okay, in the name we want that test underscore North America. Else if source node name equal c underscore 200, then we want to return the value as as test underscore South America. Else if source node name equal c underscore 300, we want to return the value as test Asia. And again, else if source node name equals c underscore 400, we want to return the value as test Europe. Else we want it blank. So let's apply. save it and close it. Okay, so it is automatically refreshing the page because we have made some changes. Let's click on side by side layout, and yes, so in the left hand side you can see we have the source application, and at the right hand side we have the FCC's application, that will be the target application. Okay, so let's move to our example, and let's add parent c underscore 100 and add a child to it, that is 101, and we will get the target output as test underscore North America. Okay, and the child of it will come as LE-101. So make a new request, and I already made subscription, so we not have to like manually implement it. Okay, it will automatically come in the target application. Okay, and add a child to it, that will be 101 in my case. Okay, okay, let's add 102. Okay, so let's quickly submit it, and we have to refresh the like we have to refresh this because we have made changes to the metadata. So let me just open this. Okay, so we are adding the master view, and click on the side by side view, and here okay, so as you can see in the source application we have added c underscore 100, and we have a child to it, that is 102, and we are getting the parent as in the target application we are getting the parent as test underscore North America, and we are getting the child of it as legal entity, that is LE-102. Like we are likewise we are just I have just shown you in the example. So the parent was c underscore 100 and child was this. Okay, now let's add c underscore 200, and we will check that if you're getting the South America or not. So again I will just make a new request and add a sibling to it, c underscore 200, and add a child to it, and that will be 201. Again I will click submit, and again I will just refresh the instance, so it will reflect in the target application. So you can see in the source we got this, and in the target at the same time we are getting the South America FLE, and let's check for the 202 also. Let's add a child to 200 and make it 202. Okay, and at the same time I'm just adding a sibling to 200, and we will at this same time we will just check that test Asia. Okay, c underscore 300, add child to it, and let's make it 301. Okay, and at the same time I will just add for the c underscore 400. Again I will add a sibling to it. Okay, and for this Let me just add child. Add a sibling to it. Okay, so this is our source application, and we have made many changes in this. We have just modified that. We just added that 202, and we have added sibling to the c underscore 200. Okay, so the output we will get as same. Okay, and we will check it. So let me just submit it, and we will just refresh the instance, and let's see what output we will get. Okay, so let me just refresh it. Okay, and I will just okay, so we have c underscore 100, c underscore 200, c underscore 300, and 400. So let's check the parents first. Okay, so North America was already there, and South America was already there, and now we have got that a test underscore Asia, that was for the c underscore 300. Okay, and we for c underscore 400 we got test underscore Europe. And now check the childs also for each of them. So we have 201 and 202. So let me just check in the South America. So we got FLE-201 and FLE-202. And in C underscore 300, we have added the child as 301. Let me just check it. So yeah, we are getting the child as the same. Okay, what we expected in the example. So we're getting FLE-301. And for the last entity, that is parent entity, that is C underscore 400. Let's check for this also. Yeah, and we are getting the perfect result here. You can see we got the FLE-401 and 402 also, like we have in this example. Okay, so this was the case for the EDMCs expression building, and we have made the expression for the parent if parent equals this and that. So thank you for watching this video, and if you have any query, please visit bspsolution.com. Thank you.